My name is Jack Davidson, and I am the director of the American Haitian Foundation. I work in conjunction with Monsignor Grandjean, who is the pastor at the cathedral in Marijuana, or cathedral. Here we have CESA, Complex Educative Saint Antoine. And I have been working here in Haiti for 25 years. I go back and forth all the time. We have a staff of over 60 teachers that works with us, Haitian teachers, and over 1,000 students at this school who we feed and educate on a regular basis. Generally, we are one of the top schools in the diocese. We are a accredited 501c3 in the United States, and we raise funding from different churches throughout the United States of America. So we have a thrift store that helps us in California. We have many independent donors that support our work. What else do you want me to say?
So you said you have 1,000 students here.
1,000 students we feed. We are partners with Feed My Starving Children. We are in the United States. We are partners with Mission One Haiti here, who also helps us with medical care. Each year, I bring a team of American doctors and give physicals to all of the students in the class and our teachers. We're working on a program now with Mission One where each student will receive 4 pairs of shoes a year, and all the teachers. So along with food, shoes, and good education, we think that is the way that we can change the face of Haiti and build it up.
What practical, technical training do you give the kids while they are in school?
At this time, we do, we have computer classes. We do that, and that's mostly what we do for technical education. We do not have a technical school. This is basically K through 12 primary, and several years ago I brought in preschool kids to feed them, to give them a good start with food, because they need to have food in their stomachs to become good brain development, everything like that. So now we have a lot of kids. We hope that they grow and become strong, healthy, good citizens of Haiti. We encourage our kids to get a good education and to want to stay in Haiti, not to go away from Haiti, to stay here and make their country better. And that's our mission.
What language do you use for the education process?
We use French. Mostly French is spoken in classes. The kids speak Creole, you know, at home and on the campus, and some English, but mostly right now everything is.
You have no Creole classes?
No Creole classes right now.
Okay.
No Creole.
All right.
I like Creole too. I mean, I speak Creole. I don't.
No, because I'm an advocate of Creole language. I'm a bilingual teacher from the United States, so Creole is the main language for us to use.
Right. It's great. I mean, it's great, and it's the language of the people. However, in our system, they encourage us to speak French. It's Haitian culture to do that. Pretty much.
You have any question, Daniel? And anyway, we want to thank you for participating, and I'm going to try to talk to one of the directors, Haitian directors as well. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Moi, c'est Michna Petite Moi, c'est ancien élève CESA pour les Saint-Antoine de Padoue. Moi, je travaille avec American Haitian Foundation, programme One Laptop per Child, et ça fait 8 ans déjà. Et que pour nous avons un programme ordinateur pour grand monde qui c'est Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Access et l'autre logiciel. Et nous avons fait commencer l'expérience, c'était pour nous gagner et une quantité de grand monde qui en mesure de capable d'utiliser l'ordinateur. Bon. Et nous atteignons l'objectif, c'est bien, et que nous gagnons une quantité d'étudiants qui aller à l'école Port-au-Prince, qui ont passé qui c'est informatique bureautique. Et ça fait 5 ans déjà que nous gagnons l'école ça existait pour grand monde. Nous gradué 5 promotions déjà et que en juillet nous allons graduer et une promotion en décembre nous graduons une promotion encore et puis ça fait plaisir puis
Combien d'élèves par classe?
L'idée bon pour maintenant nous gagnons 12 dans une session et puis dans l'autre session nous gagnons 8, dans l'autre session encore nous gagnons 17. Il dépend de l'horaire et chaque monde gagne disponibilité chaque monde pour le travail qu'il a fait dans la communauté. I work for American Asian Foundation and I'm an old student from CESA. I graduated for 2006. Before I worked for Workplace, one laptop per child. It's still for American Asian Foundation. One laptop per child is a program for kids. They know how to use computer, but it's with a special program, e-toys program. So they were smart. When they was done with that program, they asked me for more, right? And when they asked me for more, I said, okay, I don't have big computers, I will need big computers for that. And I turn around the city of Petite and I see that many people, they cannot use computer, you know, and technology is important. Technology is important. So I found out how to get some computers coming to Haiti free. They give it free. That's from American Asian Foundation, and we get that program, and it's good because many kind of students, when they finish with my computer class, they go to PowerPoints and they can pass. They can pass it. So it's important, and we graduate many promotion, and they thanks American Asian Foundation for the help that he done for us, and that's it. What else you need to know?
Oh, thank you very much. You said something about you graduating from here, right?
Yeah, 2006.
And now you're instructing.
Yeah, I'm a teacher. I'm the principal of the computer class.
All right.
I teach too sometimes.